Now is the treatment of rod carving cartridges. The principle of the carving cartridges is the same as the HIFO heads. Compared with body cartridges, rod carving uses a fine cartridge in the way of rubbing and looping, and the operation is fine at 360 degrees without dead angle, so that the concentrated energy can reach each part evenly to make it get a better effect. So we can combine the rod carving cartridges with body heads. As you could see from these three rod carving cartridges, they show 4.5 mm, 3.0 mm, and 1.5 mm. 1.5 mm is used on the areas around the eyes. 3.0 mm is secondly used on the tricks and trick bones. 4.5 mm is primarily used on the tricks. From the view of interface about 4.5 mm cartridges, 4.5 mm cartridges is the depth of energy penetration. Capacity 62,000 is the amount of energy points. Current means the amount of energy points expended in treatment. Additionally, the parameter should be adjusted from the low to the up during the treatment, and to be exactly that, appropriate parameter is supposed to be aligned with the feeling of patients. We should apply the cooling gel evenly to the face and again to make the better treatment. During the operation, we should slide in circle from the bottom to the up, and from the outside to the inside on each available area of the face. Please notice that we need to ask the patient about if he feels light warming and tingling. To see the appropriate parameter during the treatment, the energy is supposed to be lowered accordingly. Generally, we will pass over the treatment area for one time. If intensive treatment is needed, it could be twice to 3 times pass. Now the treatment for tricks is completed, and we will use 3.0 mm cartridge to start the next step on the tricks and trick bones. Particularly, please notice the interface to track the depth of energy penetration. When you would like to see if the cartridge is matched with the machine, focusing on the trick bones, we could slide in a big circle and over again. At this moment, the secondary 3.0 mm cartridge treatment is completed. Let's use the third one, 1.5 mm cartridge, to remove tiny wrinkles at corner areas around eyes and apply to the whole face for completely skin rejuvenation at the end. In terms of the way for treatment, please slide in circle from the bottom to the up, or directly lift the face in each available area. When in forehead, the cartridge could circle in accordance with the line map. Now it's turn to the neck, that is to be in treatment for wrinkle removal. We need to draw energy lines on the neck to differentiate the available parts before treatment. From the view of the neck, the two sides of the neck are available for treatment except for the pheroid. Now let's apply the cooling gel evenly to the two sides toward further step. The way for treatment is being done in circle from the bottom to the up, or directly lift from the low to the up. Generally, the treatment area is passed over once to twice